Well guys, today is delivery day. Right outside, the semi just pulled up. Inside this truck is my brand new lift that we are installing in my shop. It showed up an hour earlier than what I was anticipating, so we have to go ahead and get this Honda back on the dollies, get this thing pushed outside so we can put in our brand new lift.
Ben, yep.
There's that for you. Okay.
Awesome.
Thank you. You have a good day. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Oh, I'm so pumped.
Now we gotta set it up.
Oh, I'm so pumped. The setting up process will be fun. Not really. I have a lift, guys. Oh my God, this kind of feels surreal. It's crazy because like I build cars and I spend a lot of money on cars, but I never spend money like on myself really. I mean, this is like a business purchase, but oh, I'm so pumped. I don't even have words right now. I have a lift, dude. I can't even put it into words how excited I am to finally have this at the shop. We gotta do all the fun stuff now of installing this, thankfully. I have Devin and a couple other buddies. And Alex, day 5 now or something? Day 5 now of giving me a hand. We're gonna get this thing set up. I want this lift to be functional by the end of the day. Game plan right now is to unwrap this, find the instructions. I need to see what size hardware. I think it's 5/8 if that's the correct size for the bolts for the ground. We do need to make a pit stop to Lowe's, grab some anchor bolts. I already went ahead and went to Josh's shop, grabbed his Hercules impact drill to get this thing drilled into the concrete. But let's go ahead and start unboxing this and see where the instructions are. I have a feeling the instructions, holy
it's
because it's tied down. I was like, that is heavy.
That's what I heard.
Garbage. Oh, I see instructions. Right there. There we go. It's 1,450 pounds. That's why we couldn't lift it.
I told you, I was like, bro, this has gotta be close to a ton.
It's almost a ton, Jesus. We don't even need to go to Lowe's. I forgot, because we installed Josh's lift. He bought that used but new. It didn't come with the hardware because it was like a used new purchase. I didn't even think Alec went ahead and found that these actually come with all the bolts we need. All right, now we're trying to figure out how we get these posts unbolted without dropping it because these weigh like 750 pounds each or damn near. What we're gonna do is grab the engine hoist, bolt it onto one side. That should give us enough leverage to swing this thing over and we should be able to get this thing moved fairly easily. A little janky, but let's see.
Jack. Yeah. I probably need to go up, I think.
I don't know, we would have to move it. Yeah, we would have to essentially move it and then we just put it right up where it goes.
So where are we putting this?
I don't like here.
Yeah, do you know where you're putting these?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. We're good. This is so sketchy. Okay, should I drop it? What am I doing?
No, put it on that wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We have one post rested up. We don't have it bolted down or anything yet. We still have to do our final measurements. We're gonna go ahead and get this other post into position here. It's a little bit sketchy, but we're making it work. Thankfully, I have two strong helpers helping me. There we go. We have the lift post 100% squared out. Measure 1,000 times, cut once. We measured this thing multiple times. Everything is, oh God. Everything is perfect. We can now start drilling these posts in the ground. Thank you to Josh. We went over to his shop earlier. Took the old Hercules. This is what we're gonna use to drill our holes for our anchor points. And this thing is a unit. And now, according to our instructions here, it's not focusing, we are going to be using a 3/4 drill bit, which he is currently trying to get out of the packaging. This process is really fun drilling. It's really intimidating the first time I did it. So I'm gonna drill one hole and let the boys drill the rest, just because it's a lot of fun.
I'll tell you.
Okay, Josh, your concrete is weak. Our first anchor bolt, guys. Huh? So you leave it just like this, and you leave a couple threads, and then you tap it in. So you go like this. You want to make sure when you're tapping it in too, you don't break this. Like, let it.
Well, it must expand in there.
It expands when you tighten it, because it sucks it up.
Huh? Can you just tighten it?
Yeah, then we just tighten it.
Tighten it up.
We're gonna go through and torque down all these bolts. The instructions call for 125 foot-pounds. Seems like a lot, but we're gonna go ahead and try it on one bolt to make sure that we drilled this properly. 90. Okay, there's 100 foot-pounds. I'm sliding on the ground.
I need to kick the lift.
That was sketchy. It works though. Are you guys using the big ones on that? Yeah.
Just put it from the outside
It needs to come. Fuck. It needs to bed. I think we need to have this loose. Alright. Hold on there. Holy shit, that is dumb.
Mine's not even close.
Yeah.
So we're gonna. Oh, I'm dying.
Once you tighten it, it should be a little bit better.
Is it
in the middle, so then there's not that little like droop.
Oh yeah, well we can lift that up.
All right, guys, we are 7 hours in. We are all pretty damn beat right now, but the lift is up. We need to go through now and run, pretty much plumb the entire thing. We need to run all of the cables. We still have the reservoir. We need to put on all of the lines that go up and over, and we still have to wire this thing up. We're gonna route it up to the wall, and our box is right back there. I have a goal of getting this thing operational by tonight, but we're 7 hours in, and this is as far as we are.
What?
Does each one go across and over? And look at that. We have all of the cables run. Now we need to go ahead and figure out how to put on this main power unit. All right, guys, we are now 10 hours in on this install. We started at 11 this morning, and it is currently 9, but the lift is fully installed. We just went to Lowe's and picked up all of the wiring equipment to get this thing wired in so we can get our first, not even a first start, it is, I'm too tired for this, our first operational use of this lift. But during this install, my shop went into an absolute mess. So even after we get this thing finished up, I have quite some cleaning ahead of me. But guys, words cannot express to you how excited I am to finally have a lift. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Oh my God.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, she's on.
Damn. Is there like any fancy light?
Is there a fancy light?
I feel like that light should turn on.
Alright.
Well guys, our lift now has power. What time is it now?
It's 10. So.
It is 10:13, not bad. I had somebody come and install the lift for me as I did not want to kill myself tonight. This is a friend of a friend, now a friend. So huge shout out to him. He drove all the way from Oregon after a 10-hour job and then came straight to hook this up. But we have power. We need to go through and put some hydraulic fluid in here so we don't completely destroy our brand new lift. But guys, this should theoretically work. Test attempt number 1. Hopefully the only test attempt. I think it should go up.
Alright, safety.
Attempt 2. Dude, what the? I feel like some.
It's not even moving this though. I think they're perfectly tight too.
Are they?
Yeah. They're knocking at the same time.
Okay, it says in the instructions to do this a couple times to get all of the air out of the hydraulic system. That's why I was kind of a little hesitant there. But holy shit. And then we do this.
You have to lift up first and then go down. No? Oh. Oh shit. Or not.
Hey man, what's going on here? You do your intro like that. Woo! Hey, don't lift me.
You don't want to be lifted?
No. Fuck that, I'm gonna fall. Well guys, it is time to put the very first car on the lift. It is currently midnight, very late. But of course, it has to be the Honda in case anything does go south. It is the Honda, at least like not the Hawk or anything. Not that anything will go wrong, but for testing purposes. But just take a look at how this looks, guys. Let's make sure she's... Oh, that's good.
She's centered.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, that's so exciting. That's good.
I'm under my car. Damn. Also, I want to show you guys how clean this car really is. There's no rust. This is a 30-year-old car. This thing is gorgeous. Granted, it's quite dirty, but take a look at this thing. Not a single ounce of even surface rust anywhere. But are you kidding me? Look at this. Oh, I don't have words. This is the coolest thing ever. Ow, my feet. Well guys, I think that is going to wrap up today's video. This video has probably got to be my absolute favorite video because now we have a lift. Filming and building these cars is going to be a game changer now. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.